Yo guys, what's going on? Connor J back with a new video. Hope you're all having a great day. Today's video is a little bit special. We do have a little bit of a review to do, as a company did send me their skincare product that I am going to review. It is right here. The name of this company is Tiege Hanley. They sent me out a little box of products to review. So I decided that I'm going to do a week review of this product and show you guys the difference in my skin. Now, Tiege Hanley products have been specifically designed to all work together to help you get clearer, better skin, to make you feel more confident. Each skincare system is delivered straight to your door and comes with a little handy booklet to tell you about how to use them, when to use them, and also how much of each product to use. Now, Tiege Hanley cuts out the middleman, basically, so it makes it more affordable for people like me and you to have. There will be a link down below in the description as a discount code for you guys if you guys do want to buy this product. So yeah, let's get straight into today's video. So, on this product card, Handsome 101, it says what to use, how to use, and when to use. It's a great thing to have. As you can tell, it tells you the amounts as well. Sometimes, like on the products that I have, it doesn't come with like a card like this, and it definitely doesn't tell you the amount. Sometimes you use like a lot, and it just makes your face like really greasy, which isn't good to have. But yeah, it tells you when. So AM moisturizer also has SPF 20 in it, so it protects you from the sun. PM says morning, night, after wash, scrub, super serum, and eyes. Scrub says twice a week after a wash, before anything else. The wash says morning and night, before anything else. Eyes says morning and night, acne, night only for mild acne, morning and night for severe acne, after wash. So yeah, that's a little product card for you guys. Let's get straight into the product.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
Now, these are some of the products that Tiege Hanley sent us. I did just open it. There's a daily face wash for the mornings. They've got an AM and PM moisturizer, so obviously for the morning and for the evening. They've got a daily face scrub, they've got a super serum and stuff for your eyes, so basically all the black underneath your eyes, that helps to get rid of that. Let's get into this week review. So as you can tell, it is the first morning. I haven't started using Tiege Hanley yet, but this is what my skin is looking like. Got a couple spots here and there. It's not looking too bad. There's a couple bits of blackheads up here and around. But yeah, not too bad this morning, to be fair. But yeah, I'm just about to go use Tiege Hanley. I'm gonna use the scrub first. And then I'm going to use the wash, I'm going to use the super serum, then the eyes, and then the AM moisturizer. So yeah, let's get into it. So with the scrub, you can only use it twice a week, I think, as it says. So today is going to be my first one. I think I'm going to do it on day 3 as well. Use that. Now I'm going to wet my face and use the wash. I think it's about how much? With the wash, you apply it twice a day, so you can apply it morning and night. Now I'm going to apply the super serum. I've just got to let that one dry for a minute before applying anything else. Now that the super serum is done, we are moving on to the eyes. So this just gets rid of any of the darkness underneath your eyes. We're just going to have to let that one dry off, and then we are going to be using the AM moisturiser. It says here. About that much. Little droplet. That is it for today. It's the first day of using Tiege Hanley. I'm going to be doing this for 5 days, I think, because my new video is this video is going to be out on Thursday. So I'm going to be using this for 5 days and see what the end results are looking like. So it is night time. Everyone's in bed, so I'm going to be a quick quiet. But the first thing I'm going to use is the face wash, and then we are going to use the PM moisturiser. This is because your face rejuvenates and heals overnight, so this really works well. Your face after use as well. That is that done. Let's see what my skin looks like on day 5. Let's go. Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to day 5 of this Tiege Hanley review. I'm just gonna get straight into it and say this has really worked for me, like ridiculously good. I'll show you a before and after of what my skin looks like now and what it did look like 5 days ago. So I will be honest with you, I have been using this for 5 days, honestly, and yeah, I feel 100% better in myself and more confident in my skin. My skin radiates more, and I think it's just overall looking better and smoother. So with the eye serum, I will be honest, it did, the first day that I put it on, it did burn, like felt like it was burning underneath my eyes. Don't know if that's what it does usually or it should be doing that. But yeah, from then on it was fine after the initial burning sensation. So yeah, before I end this video, I do want to say I would 100% recommend this brand to anyone that's trying to get clearer, healthier, better looking skin. So yeah, that is it for this video guys. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe down below if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.